2 to go.
Hello Highlanders, I'm your host Jonathan, and on today's episode we are doing the Hot Ones, and I'm joined here with the 2024 Mr. MHS Luke Shirley.
Thank you for having me.
Yes, how are you feeling?
I'm very nervous,
Yeah.
I have a very low spice tolerance, and my stomach's already hurting just by looking at it.
All right, well, let's get started with the first one, the classic. Yeah, go. All right, Luke. So, how does it feel to be crowned Mr. MHS?
It's pretty crazy. It feels normal. I still feel the same. Nothing has changed. I don't get my own special bathroom or anything like that, which I wish I had my own special bathroom because after this I'm going to be needing it.
Oh, okay.
So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so should we move on to the second one?
Yeah. Was I supposed to eat the whole chicken?
No, you don't have to. Okay, this one, I don't know how to, Calabria? I don't know. That one got like a weird taste to it.
I kind of like it.
You do?
Never mind, not anymore.
All right, Luke. So your next question is, you good? Okay. Were you nervous to get up in front of everyone during your performance?
Yes, I was very nervous. The day before, I was throwing up because I was that nervous. But, I had people help me get through it, like Calvin. He's a real one. I can say that for sure. Him and Lily.
All right, so the third one is Los Calientes.
Yep.
Go. Yeah. Okay. So, what was going on in your head before you had went up and performed in front of everybody?
Main thing was just to get it over with.
Just get it over with?
Yeah. Like I said, nerves were up being in front of all those people, especially people like I go to school with who have to see me the next week of school. So if I embarrassed myself, I would have to live with it for the rest of high school.
This one is 13 Angry Scorpions.
I don't like scorpions.
Oh, okay. This one looks like it's gonna hurt. Oh, shoot.
It's very hot, but it does taste like barbecue.
Yeah. So, after you had performed and, did the thing with your mom, you heard yourself get named as the winner. What was going on through your head during that time? Like, what were your thoughts on that?
I thought they said the wrong name. I was very shocked. I didn't think I was gonna get it. I was going against 9 other really good guys.
Are you good? Is it just me or is it getting hot in here?
Uh-huh.
Yes. Is there like a fan or something? You can't open the window? Look. This one is the bomb. I think this is probably the hottest one.
Why did I do this? I'm just gonna go to work and put a pressure washer in my mouth.
The last dab. Go.
Ooh. Ooh.
Last question. So I know you don't usually dance or perform, like in front of people. But how did you overcome your stage fright, if any, to have a great performance?
I overcame it because I realized I wasn't able to see anyone in the crowd because I was blinded by the lights, and it was very dark in there. I shouldn't be stressing that much over a minute and 50 seconds of a performance.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Are we done?
Yeah. I'm going to go run some water through my mouth. Thank you guys for watching.
I'm gonna go home.
Gotta go. Peace.